Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Tēnā tātou, nau mai haere mai ki te whenua rerehua nei, o te hauku nui ararau, hāro o te kahu. Nau mai ki te kuro ngā tama tāne o Heretaunga, i tēnei rā, ka Mātakitaki koutou ki ngā kura e rua, ko ngā tama tāne o Heretaunga, me ngā tama tāne o Tauranga Boys. Whana from Tana.
Not out, John.
Whana back to Heretaunga. John Lamiko off the ball. A good run from him, good contact from the 14 of Tauranga. Anapa of the beautiful hopu in the line out. Heretaunga sneaking up to their try line. Try Heretaunga, good work. See if Tauranga can get over this try line. Some more good work from these forwards. And a beautiful try from Tauranga. Tauranga doing a very good job to keep them back. Oh, good line speed from Tauranga. Oh, Vincent Kite, number 52, broke through. Eli Southwick, the number 5. Beautiful work from Heretaunga, getting over their try line once again. Zach Horan to throw it in for Tauranga. Tauranga putting their forwards in to play again. Strong forwards. And another try. Tauranga. Good running there. Oh, some more running. Good work from Tauranga. Oh, the subs just come on. Good run from him. Here Pete.
Play hot, play
Good
hot.
work from Tauranga. They've got numbers on the left.
Go, Miller, go.
Oh, good work from Tauranga. Some beautiful work from Tauranga there, getting out of there. Tauranga just putting their pressure back onto Heretaunga. Oh, JJ of the ball.
Boy,
Good run there.
Knock on. Yes, boy.
Ah, a beautiful whana there. Stretching out their lead even bigger. Is he really? Tana. Got numbers on the right. Gabe. Ah, beautiful work there from Heretaunga to get another try. Grace Robinson, I believe, on their right wing. Good work from Tauranga. Their number toru. Oh, beautiful work there. Beautiful work from Tauranga. Good work pushing out to the left side. Panapa. Gabe Diha, good hands. Rafe. Panapa Paya. Oh, beautiful try there from Heretaunga. Number 18 for Heretaunga. The kapine. Is he really? The veteran. Good work from Heretaunga to get that try. Tauranga very strong in this defense. Heretaunga aren't really going anywhere. Defense a bit too strong. Yep, back out to the left. Is he really the veteran? Beautiful try there from Heretaunga. Is he really the veteran? Nō reira, ko te wā mātou mahi tēnei rā. Ki ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakataitai. Kia haumaru te haere. Tēnā koutou katoa kua tū hono mai ki tēnei hōtaka. Noho ora mai.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.